Good morning student. Today we are going to see 6th chemistry. So here the lesson chemistry in everyday life. In this lesson we have studied most of things we are using in our daily life. What are the material, what are the chemical we are using in our daily life? Plastic, cement, then medicines, cloths, soaps. So many things we are using in our daily life. In this topic, we are getting Epsom and plaster of Paris. We are studied in this lesson. What is the Epsom? What is the plaster of Paris? Epsom is one of the chemical substances which is known as magnesium sulfate hydrate. So the formula is MgSO4H2 7H2O. So Epsom is one of the chemical substances. It is known as magnesium sulfate hydrate MgSO4 7H2O. This is a molecular formula of the Epsom. Then plaster of Paris. It is known as of calcium sulfate CaSO4 of H2O. So these two compounds in this day we are studied about what are the uses of our daily life. First we are taking Epsom salt. So Epsom salt, the combination of magnesium and sulfate. So magnesium is one of the element, sulfate is one of the element. So sulfate is one of the compound. So these two magnesium sulfate, these two element and compound combined to giving a magnesium sulfate. So the magnesium sulfate is one of the we are using compound. So magnesium is one of the element. So SO4, S is one of the element, oxygen is one of the element. So three elements are participation in this compound. So we are using this compound our daily life. What are the uses? One is in a medical purpose, industrial purpose, and we are daily using this compound. What are the uses? Stress and relaxes the body. The magnesium sulfate used in a medicine, that is used for reducing the stress and relaxes the body. Next one, nerves function properly. So in our food we are taking magnesium sulfate that helps to use for nervous function. So it is used to concentrate the nervous function with properly. Then it is used for skin disease, reducing the skin disease, curing the skin disease. Skin problem we are using magnesium sulfate. Then we are using for in agriculture, which is using as a fertilizer, that is growth in agriculture plant. So agriculture plant la vandu நம்ம இது யூஸ் பண்றோம். So magnesium sulfate is one of the most important our daily life. Then calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is also known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means it is of H2O. So H2O is a molecule of water. Calcium is one of the element. SO4 is one of the compound. So calcium element, calcium and sulfate combined to get calcium sulfate. So this calcium sulfate help for blackboard chalk piece, and it is using in a medical setting fracture of bones, then making cast for statues, and then construction industries. Blackboard chalk piece, we are using chalk piece in this board. This chalk piece made by the calcium sulfate. Another one is setting of fractured bones. We are getting bone fracture, the doctor use calcium sulfate and packing with a setting of bones for curing the disease. Next one, making a cast for statues. We are using most statues and toys by the making of calcium sulfate. Construction industries. So many uses for calcium sulfate in the construction industries. Cement made. So calcium sulfate is one of the most important role of making a cement. So calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate used in our daily life, which is most role of our life importance works. Thank you very much student. Today we know about the Epsom plaster of Paris very well. So next time we are going to see about very important topic. Thank you very much.